In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Google Drive, a process which should only take about 5 minutes. This integration will allow you to streamline your workflow by directly linking your Trello boards with your Google Drive documents, making collaboration and organization smoother than ever. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Trello website. If you're already familiar with Trello, you know that this is your go-to destination for setting up all your boards and tasks. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log in. You can select your preferred method of logging in, whether it's through your Google account, email, or another supported option. Choose what works best for you and get yourself signed in. Now that you're logged in and on your Trello dashboard, the next step is to go to the board where you want to set up this connection with Google Drive. Once you're within the board, pay attention to the top of your Trello board interface. You're going to be looking for the section labeled Power-Ups. Think of Power-Ups as Trello's way of adding custom features and integrations to your boards. Click on the Power-Ups button, which will bring up a pane where you can browse through a wide variety of options. Here lies the key to our task. Find the Google Drive Power-Up. Once you locate it, you'll want to enable it. This is a simple click, but an important one, as enabling the Google Drive Power-Up is what sets the wheels in motion for our integration. When prompted, make sure to accept and agree to the permissions. This step is essential as it allows Trello to access your Google Drive, facilitating features like document attachment and management directly from within Trello. After you've accepted the permissions, your page will refresh. Now, you'll want to test out the integration. Open up any Trello card on your board. You'll notice at the bottom of the card, there's a Power-Up button. Click on it, and you should now see Google Drive as an option. This integration opens up a world of possibilities. Through the Google Drive Power-Up, you can directly create and attach new files, or simply attach an existing file or folder from your Google Drive to your Trello card. Whether you're attaching important documents, resource folders, or collaborative drafts, this feature is incredibly powerful for team collaboration. And there you have it, a seamless connection between your Trello and Google Drive accounts, enhancing how you manage projects and share resources. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now ready to make the most out of this integration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.